Alright, my friends, welcome back to another unboxing. This is kind of an unbagging here, but today we're checking out a mask here. Excuse me. Alright, this is kind of a creepy mask. I got this off of Amazon for about $15. You guys can check it out there. I'll leave a link in the description below, but oh my, it's just kind of creepy. So this is the mask. Yeah, it definitely looks a little creepy. But anyways, this one comes with, it doesn't come with any batteries. You know what? I'm just going to throw some batteries in here real quick, and we'll be right back. Okay, so it takes a couple of AA batteries. Threw those in there real quick. And it has this little button here. Oh, it's kind of creepy. So it flashes. Push it once, it's on. Push it twice, it flashes slowly. 3 times, it flashes kind of rapidly. Let's turn the lights out here. All right. Ooh, that's actually kind of creepy. Let me see here. 1 second. Okay, that's my microphone's in my mask here, but it's kind of hot in this mask actually. I don't know if there's a mouthpiece here or not. But okay, that's a little creepy. Maybe if I put my hoodie on, it'd be more challenging, more scary. So there we have it. That's it. I will be doing kind of more of a review here after I check it out a little bit more, and maybe a demonstration in the darkness. I don't have a microphone hooked up to this thing, so I don't know how well you guys could hear me, but definitely kind of a creepy mask there. Thanks for watching this unboxing video, and I'll be doing a second video review, and I'll leave that in the description below. You guys can check it out. Thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day.